In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a mirror glass on your Honda Pilot. Let's get started. Tilt the glass forward. Using a small pry bar, we're going to go on the bottom and push the mirror straight up, and it'll pop out. There will be two connections right here. Pull these straight off. I'm just using a little pick to get behind them and pop them off. Just like that. If you have the heated mirror option, go ahead and plug these terminals in. To install the mirror, we're going to line it up and then push straight down, and the mirror will lock in. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.